Go and see if our room's ready.
Since you guys have your magic bands, we'll have you somebody try. So you'll do your magic band here. You'll hear a click.
No, you go ahead.
And this is Humphrey. He's our friend. We always like to rub him on the nose for good luck. So we just always say good morning. Come up there every time you come in. So this is quite a lovely spot. Because you can and on out to the lake. So sunset here is lovely.
Oh, okay. Good place for sunset. Sorry?
Here on the bridge, down the way, and then there's a big coffee is out here at 6. So this is the servery. So we always have just nice drinks over here. We have the refrigerators that are always stocked with water and sodas and milks and juices. And again, all of this is snack time. So this is kind of going to be the general, you know, but some of the things might change when they might.
That's so cool. It's nice how you can just wander all the way around.
Yeah.
This is our view from our Wilderness Lodge room. It's so cool. Hi there and welcome back to my channel. We have just checked into the Wilderness Club level. We have a standard room and I thought I would give you a quick look round. So I am standing at the door entrance and I will show you around now. So as I walk in, we've got some artwork, coffee machine, tea, glasses and an ice box there. We have got, I haven't looked at any of these, drawer units for storage.
Fridge.
And oh, is there a fridge in the bottom? Oh, I like that. That's like a little twig. And we've got a fridge. And then we've also got our wardrobe there. And a few hangers and spare blankets and pillows. We've got a double sinked bathroom. We've got those cute little lights. I hadn't noticed those before, with like bound twigs. Big mirror, some really cool toiletries. There's foot rub, the usual kind of body lotion, there's mouthwash here, relief gel, whatever that is, a vanity kit, and some Factor 50 sun cream, soap and all that. And then the usual hairdryer, towels, tissues. And then we've got a nice big mirror there. Bathroom, again we've got our little toiletries and towels, really cute. Chippendale, Bambi, and oh, who's the raccoon? What's the raccoon's name?
Don't know.
I don't know.
That's one to find out.
Yeah, leave me a message below, tell me what the raccoon's name is. There's a little thing there for you to use as a washer line so you can hang out your washing. Over the head shower and bathtub, the loo, and we've got more towels there, and then into the sleeping area. And then we've got 2 queen beds, beautiful headboards, lights above, those sweet little thumper pillows on the bedding. Do love white bed linen. Got some bits and pieces here, and we've got some chocolate from the ganachery which looks rather yummy. Some totem pole. Oh, that feels really heavy. I think the kids will be after that in a minute. They've already made themselves at home on this bed. We've got telephone, notepad, pen, and then we've got a little side table there in the middle. We've got another table, big TV, which Louis has already got the football on. More storage. Oh, have you seen the coat hooks? They're so sweet. Yeah. And then we've got the most amazing view on the balcony. There is charger units and all that. A nice big mirror, lovely light. And on the best bit, I would say this is the best bit about the room. For a standard view, we've got a lovely deep balcony. Yeah, we've got a fireworks view. Oh, that was good timing. The monorail is just going past into the Contemporary. Got Bay Lake Tower, Space Mountain. You can see Astro Orbiter, and that darn tree is covering the castle. So we just need someone to chop the tree down and we're all set. But we've definitely got a fireworks view, which we are very excited about.
You can see Bay Tower.
Yeah, exactly. We can see the cabins down there. We've got the smokehouse down there as well, so it smells of barbecue up here. It is beautiful. Yeah, it smells good. But that's our tour of our room. It's 7058. It is one of the club level rooms, but it's a standard view. And I will do another video showing around the club level lounge another time, because right now we have fast passes for Hollywood Studios, and we've got Slinky Dog fast passes, so we're really excited. I hope you've enjoyed this very quick look around our room. Please do subscribe if you don't already. I've got lots and lots and lots and lots of other Disney videos. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Bye. Hello. No, the kids do. Thank you.
Yeah, well, maybe it was wondering if we're on the dark side or the light side. Looks like we have a bit of both on our shirts here.
That detail, look, they've even put HB2.
Oh yeah, on the pencil, HB2. Oh, is it coming? There we go. It's just such a smooth ride, isn't it?